Hi. Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. Nice to meet you. I'm Learnful Bunny. Today, we're going to learn about some of the animals you might see on a farm. Are you ready? Let's get started. This is chicken.
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 This is a rooster. Roosters are male chickens. Rooster.
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 And this is a hen. Hens are female chickens. Hen.
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 This is cow. They have 4 legs, big nose, and have 2 curved horns on their head. Cow.
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 Here we have a sheep. Sheep are also mammals and have woolly fur. Sheep.
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 Say hello to the pig. Pigs are cute and chubby animals with a big, round body and short legs. They also have a curly tail. Pig.
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 This is duck. Ducks love to swim and play in the water. They have a special bill that helps them find food in the water and on land. Duck.
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 This is goose. They are large birds with long necks and wings. Goose.
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 Look at this rabbit. They have long ears and red eyes. They love eating carrots. Rabbit.
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 Look at this beautiful animal. This is a horse. They have strong, muscular bodies and long tails. Horse.
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 And this is a donkey. Donkeys are often used for carrying things. They have big ears and similar to horse. Donkey.
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 Wow, look at this huge animal. This is an elephant. They are the biggest land animals on Earth. They have a long trunk and big ears. Elephant.
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 Here we have a monkey. They have a long tail, round ears, and sometimes make funny faces. Monkey.
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 This is a zebra. They have black and white stripes. They are often found in Africa. Zebra.
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 And finally, we have a sloth. They move very slowly and like to hang upside down. They have long claws. Sloth.
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 Great job! Today you've learned so many new words. Subscribe to Learnful Bunny and learn something new every day. See you next time.